Hello. So I got a new mic. So this is the Rode Wireless Me mic, and the audio that you are hearing right now, it's coming from here. So this is the receiver, this is the transmitter. Hello, can you hear me? So I am speaking from the Rode Wireless Me mic, and this is a wireless mic, and I just got this mic a few days ago, and I am returning it because of the following reasons. Mobile AT&T, it should be able to work on Mint Mobile. So the setup process is super fast and easy. So I got the physical SIM, so there's an option. You can choose to get the physical SIM or the eSIM. eSIM is like, as you can hear, it's giving me some random popping, peaking sound out of nowhere when I was doing the talking head videos like this. I search online, I search everywhere, and some people are saying that, oh, it's because of the faulty cable. But this cable, I just got it a few days ago. It came with the box. The TRS to TRS cable is by Rode, and it's brand new. There's no way that this cable is faulty. So I don't think that is the reason why. And then some people are saying that, oh, you have to turn off the camera, your camera's Wi-Fi, your camera's Bluetooth, which I did, and it's not working, and it's still giving me some weird popping noise. So I tried to mess around with the Rode Central app on my phone, and I changed the settings from low to medium, and I tried to change the gain assist from auto to dynamic. Nothing works, and I'm still having those weird clipping noise that are out of nowhere. So I found a possible workaround solution to it. I mean, it's not a permanent fix. So what I did is, so I attached a extension cable to the receiver. So this receiver is attaching to my camera. But instead of putting this receiver into the cold shoot mount on the camera, I just put it on the table, put it somewhere far away from the camera, and that seems like it's solving the problem. But obviously, when I'm vlogging outside, I don't want to carry like a long cable with me. So I don't know if this is my problem, or if this is like a faulty unit, or this is like the problem that I'm having with the camera. So just for reference, I'm using the GoPro Hero 11 Black.